Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Mad As I Go. Today I want to talk about this thing that a lot of people have, This goes across a lot of nations, this goes across a lot of social classes, this goes out to a lot of people. I fucking hate these people who are 150% against welfare. You know what, there isn't anything fucking wrong with welfare. I don't mind putting my taxes aside to pay for someone who's unable to work or for someone who just lost their fucking job. And yes, I'll even fucking put my taxes aside for that lazy fuck who just doesn't want to work. I'd rather have that guy down there just sitting there doing nothing than coming to my job and fucking my day up. Because the fact of the matter is, you force people into work and they can't find work. They either become criminals or they start slacking off and making your life fucking harder at your job. Alright? I've seen this happen. People who are desperate for money but have no fucking skills or any fucking common sense or human decency. And then you have to work with these fucking fucks. And it's bullshit. And now our government, this liberal fucking stupid government we got here, Tony Abbott and his fucking mates are all like, oh, they should make it so you have to wait 6 months till you get any welfare. So what? I lose my job and I gotta go 6 months without money. $0. Okay? Zero. And I gotta go look for a job with $0. What, I'm gonna fucking walk to the job interview? Jesus Christ, most of the jobs from where I'm situated are really far away. Oh, well, we got this idea where we'll just move you from where you are. Oh, that'll make things a lot easier. Moving into a new house. Yeah, I just gotta get some groceries and shit. With what fucking money? Because they take it away for 6 fucking months or whatever. Even if this doesn't pass, it pisses me the fucking hell off anyway. Because it's just such fucking bullshit. I fucking hate politicians and I'd never, ever, not in a billion years get involved with those cunts, because that's all they are. They're just a pack of fucking cunts. We had a set of cunts that weren't so bad, who only kind of fucked us a little bit with some minor taxes and some stupid shit on Twitter. And that wasn't so bad. And everyone went, well, that's just unbearable. Let's go to a party who's better. And this party, and even from, an outsider looking in, and an American could have watched the lead up to the election and would have went, well, those Labour Party, they've got to get in, surely. I mean, these guys are fucked. But no, of course, because Australians are fucking stupid, and you know what, that stereotype is fucking true. If I say anything to the contrary, I just ask the person, what nationality are you? Are you full-blood Australian? I didn't think so, because you have a functioning fucking brain. Fucking voting in the Liberals, Jesus Christ. And they've just fucked everyone from the beginning. Oh, did you want the NBN? Well, we have this idea where instead of rolling it out, we'll just keep the old copper wires and stay back in prehistoric times like everyone wants us to. Fucking idiots. God, they fucked up with the NBN, they fucked up with healthcare, they're fucking up with welfare, they're fucking up with roads and transportation, they're fucking up constantly, and you just gotta go, oh, well, we voted them in so they get to stay for a couple years. If people fucked up that hard in their regular jobs, they'd be out of work. And without money for 6 fucking months. It's fucking crazy what politicians are allowed to do. It's not politics, it's fucking sport. It's just, I bet you I can make this crazy legislation pass. Well, I've got a crazier one. It's like, and there's nothing we can do about it. We have no saying that, yeah, they're going to make a decision for our society with a group of fucking rich cunts in the room. Newsflash, most Australians aren't fucking rich. So we're represented by people who have nothing to do with us. That's fucking well done. Jesus Christ, democracy, my fucking ass. We should be allowed to say, no, we don't agree with that decision. And just flat out just deny whatever laws they try to pass if the society thinks it's fucked. Instead of sending it to a fucking parliament, which is a useless idea, I don't like the UN or anything, let the public vote on every fucking thing. I don't care if it takes years to pass one fucking thing. You guys sit in your offices for 7 hours a day getting $2 million a year and you can't organise things quickly. Have you noticed that elections take months to get around to the fucking point? What, they didn't have any fucking time to discuss it? All they do is sit down and discuss shit. All they do is sit at a fucking computer. And then they have the gord to turn around and say the guy who's sitting at home on the dole is fucking lazy. Oh yeah, all those people who go out looking for jobs every day, who keep getting knocked back because they haven't got, high scholar fucking, credentials, or they're not a fucking rocket scientist and they're just looking for something to grab hold of so they can put some fucking food on their table, and you're going to take that chance away as well, and you're going to take the education, and then you're going to charge them for healthcare. Well done, you fucking retarded, high collar motherfucking bitches. You can tell that their brains have got fucking rot because they've been sitting on their asses their whole life, because they're basically turning this country into America. And what country is hated by most of the world? America. Not because of its people, not because of its cultures, but because of how fucking stupid its fucking government has been over the last 30 years. And what is the Australian equivalent doing? The exact fucking same. We follow America in every worst way. All the ways that you don't want to be like America is how our government wants to be like America. Oh, they don't have universal healthcare. That sucks. Yeah, we should bring that in over here because it sucks. You don't even think. Not even a little bit. They get to go away from politics and sit on a fucking, 8-digit goddamn pension, and everyone else has to deal with their $25,000 or $14,000 a fucking year. You fucking cunts. These fucking white-collar pieces of shit. I fucking hate the politics in this country, and I hate most of the people who do the voting. I'd love to be a dictator of this country. I'd basically just say, everyone fuck off. You're all fucking useless. Pack of stupid cunts. That's why Holden got closed down and shit, because everyone went off for a sickie or went out to have a couple of drinks like a bunch of fuckknuckles. All we do in this country is drink and lie. That's it. That's the motto of Australia. Drink and lie. Even our fucking natives don't have enough respect for their own culture to keep it alive. They'd rather be like all the white people, and they'd rather dress like an American and talk like an American instead of passing on the fucking culture. Why? Because, it's better to be white. It's better to be, white collar and treat everyone like a piece of fucking shit. Even their own fucking elders they treat like goddamn shit. Fucking motherfuckers. I hate everyone in this country so fucking hard. I can't even fucking believe it. There's like a select few that I like. Oh, Chris, you don't have many friends. Have you seen the Australian society? That's why I don't have many fucking friends. You got people over in America doing that whole 1%, a whole protest thing, which you might have thought was corny and, not fully thought out. You know what we did in Australia? We didn't protest against something that's going on here. No, we just copied the same fucking thing, even though it's not as relevant here. And the statistics that they were coming up with don't match here even a fucking little bit. They didn't match there, and they really don't match here. So of course, because America did it, and because it's something America failed at, we're going to do it. If America fails, we'll be the next one to try it. It's like, we're going to go to war with Iraq. Oh shit, an all-out war fucking erupted. They're sending planes into our buildings. What do Australians do? The fucking same fucking thing. Fucking hell, so stupid. Fucking hate this country so fucking hard. If you got rid of all the people, it would be a decent place to fucking live. Australiana and all that. Throw shrimp on the barbie. Throw fucking Paul Hogan in the fucking detention centre, and we'll watch him on webcam get whipped by the fucking guards. Oh wait, that doesn't happen. Let's find a political way to word it so we're saying the same thing but it doesn't sound like that. Politics, Australians are a bunch of fucking idiots. That was mad as a goat.